Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could talk about the Revlon Salon hairdryer and volumizer. My friend recommended this to me. She said it works really great. She has really thick curly hair and she said it only took her about 10 minutes to do her hair and it left her with a little bit of a curl and a blowout. So we're going to try it out. Just want to let you guys know I hate blow drying my hair, so I really hope this cuts back on some time. Also, I am not a hair professional. I do the bare minimum, but I just want to see if this is going to cut down the time, add volume. So this is just going to be a first impressions for someone who is just like the everyday girl, just trying to get ready in the morning. So hopefully you find this helpful. I would say that I've had my hair air drying now for about 10 minutes. I didn't have it in a towel or anything, so it is still pretty damp. So we're just gonna go ahead, open this up, and we will get started. All right, so I just pulled this out of the box. This is all that comes in the box. It's just the basic styling tool here. And it is packaged pretty nicely. It's nice that they have this around the head. It's pretty secure. So let's take that off. And I also did want to mention, I purchased this off of Amazon. This was a little bit of a splurge for me. I think I got it for about $40. So it is on sale right now on Amazon. Usually it retails for about $59.99. I'll put the link below to that if you're interested. So here it is. I have the pink one. It looks pretty. It's a lot thicker here than I thought it was going to be. So we'll just see how it does. I've only watched 2 tutorials on how to use this, so I'm going in pretty blind. But one of the things the girls did say is that you want to use this on the low setting. The high setting is it just gets too hot and there's a chance you could burn your hair. So just keep that in mind. We're going to try the low setting. But if you can get your hair done and have volume in less than 10 minutes on a low setting, then this is a really good product. A few people say the best way to do this is to section off your hair. Just section it off. And I wanted my hair to still be really wet doing this video because I know a lot of times in the morning when you're getting ready for work, you don't have time to let your hair air dry for a while or for it to sit up in the towel for a while. So I really want to see how much time this is going to save us. So we're about to get started. We're going to start the timer. So it is 3:59. See how long this takes. Okay, cool. So you're gonna turn it on down here. It says cool, low, or high. I like that the buttons are down here and not up on the handle, so you're not accidentally like changing the temperature or turning it off while you're using it. Okay, now we're gonna start. So let's see. Still 3:59. All right. You know what? Let's do this side first. And we'll probably just fast forward through most of this and then I'll just tell you guys what I think at the end. So I just finished and let's see, it is 4:18. So it took almost 20 minutes for me to dry my hair and it's still a little damp. I'm not gonna lie, I used the high setting It seemed to work fine. I would just say, like, if you have really thin hair, maybe don't go that route. I was just getting impatient. Also, it's my first time using it, so maybe it took me so long because of user error. I'll keep using it and I'll leave an update down below. But there's a little bit of volume here and like bounce because I started to kind of curl the ends. And on this side, this was the second side I did, so I feel like I was getting a little bit better. But the reviews I watched, and you know, this just might be how the girls want their hair done, they were doing it like how I first started. So they were going up, out, and under. But when I turned it to the high setting, I started to wrap my hair around it like this. And it's a little bit tougher since it's not on, but I was wrapping my hair around it like this, and it made it dry a lot quicker, and then that's when I started to get the volume, especially at the ends. So I would recommend for that. But I don't know, also, again, if it was just my first time, but it's still looking pretty flat top around the crown here. It is still a little damp there too, so maybe I just wasn't getting it close enough to the root. I'm not sure, but that is my honest review. Like I said, it took about 20 minutes. Oh, another thing, a lot of people did complain about the noise, and that's the cool setting, and then this will be the high. So I guess it's just the same as any hair dryer, but when it's up to your ear, it just feels a little bit louder. But anyways, yeah, I don't think it's a bad product, and I will link it down below. I wanted to pop on real quick as I'm editing this back because it's been a few hours since we used the Revlon Volumizer, and I kind of got to thinking that this product does have a lot of really good benefits, and I just kind of wanted to go over those and what I've been thinking ever since we used the product. So first I want to say, as we mentioned in the video, yes, it did take me 18 minutes to use it, but this was my first time using the product, and yes, 18 minutes was longer than how long I wanted the blow drying experience to take me. But then I got to thinking, how many things am I getting out of that 18 minutes? It was brushing my hair, it was blow drying my hair, straightening my hair, adding volume at the ends, and I really think you can't beat that, because if I had to sit and blow dry my hair, plug in my hair straightener, wait for my hair straightener to warm up, and then straighten my hair, probably taking me over 20 minutes to do all that. So this is just a one-step process that achieves that look. I think going forward in the future, it would also cut back on time if I had wrapped my hair in a towel, which I did not do. If I let it air dry longer, or just the more that I use it, the more comfortable I'll become with it, and the quicker it'll be for me. So with that being said, this is a product that I do want to recommend. I also wanted to say that usually I have, when my hair is dry and not blow dried, it is more of a wavy texture. It's not super straight, it's not curly, and as you can see, it did a really good job like straightening out my hair here. And then we kind of flipped it under here, which is the look what I would do with a straightener. Straighten it down and then under. And then on this side is where I was more like twisting the brush, and it's still the same effect. Like we have a little bit of a wave down here, and it's really straight. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions about this product, please let me know. Like I said in the beginning, this is just, I'm just your average person using this, just wanting to give like a first impressions review from the point of view of someone who just is trying to get their hair done as quick as possible. So if you have any questions, just leave them below, and thanks so much for watching.